Girl, it's been a while since you were here back home so close. But now you're gone away like dust in space. And all I said is what I feel, although you think it wasn't real. Maybe it wasn't so wrong, maybe we could get along. But what is left for you to kill? My ones with you will never heal. We'll never know what went wrong, but I can fix what I've done. Now tell me how it goes, how you been with him? Oh, how you been with him? Why you here for for love? Why should I let you in again? Tell me why. I see in your eyes, no tears are crying, since you think I've been holding on. But I'm already halfway, out of the longest driveway, yeah. And all I said is what I feel, although you think it wasn't real. Maybe it wasn't so wrong, maybe we could get along. But what is left for you to kill? My ones with you will never heal. We'll never know what went wrong, but I can fix what I've done. Let's say I got my own rules. Now it's obvious why you came through. Don't go saying that I need you, when you're back here making me please you. And now you're trying to get physical, throw back feelings in aggressive tone. When you said you weren't good enough, it's crazy seeing how you twisted the plan. Girl, you just can't deny you want nobody else but me to fuck you. Why you still bugging? Oh, you made up for me to drown, spread those lies to bring me down. It's cool, but trust me, the truth is out there. Cause all I said is what I feel, although you think it wasn't real. Maybe it wasn't so wrong, maybe we could get along. But what is left for you to kill? My ones with you will never heal. We'll never know what went wrong, but I can fix what I've done. And all I said is what I feel, although you think it wasn't real. Maybe it wasn't so wrong, maybe we could get along. But what is left for you to kill? My ones with you will never heal. We'll never know what went wrong, but I can fix what I've done. Let us work it out. No, you were the best, but I just can't follow. You know this house for what they say. If this isn't for love, why should I stay?